So this is the ranking adjusted for inflation. So CPI is actually a very important idea, right? So we may compare the grossing across periods. So CPI is very important. All right, now this is the initial budget constraint, and this is your initial choice. You just maximize your utility to choose E1, right? All right, now the price in period 2 changes. If a person's income increases automatically with CPI, he can afford to buy the first year bundle in the second year. All right. So the initial income or the initial budget line, and you choose this bundle. Now the government said that, okay, I would make sure you can afford your initial choice of the consumption bundle E1. So no matter how P1 and P2 changes, no matter how P1 and P2 changes, said P1 over P2 is what? MRT, right? With a negative sign, MRT. Do you remember MRT? MRT is the slope of the budget line, right? So no matter how P1 or P2 changes, you just have a new slope, new MRT. But now with any kind of MRT, you have in period 2. The target for the government is to make sure that you may afford the consumption bundle E1. Okay? So your final income would be passing through, or your budget line would be passing through E1, so that you may afford this. However, this type of adjustment can provide you a chance to be better off. Okay? You may be better off because you can choose another consumption bundle in this case. Alright? So, better off in the second year because the CPI-based COLA means cost of COLA. COLA is the abbreviation of this. COLA, cost of living adjustment. So the COLA program may overcompensate you in the sense your utility increases. Alright? So the COLA program based on CPI adjust your income with CPI to guarantee you, to ensure you can afford your consumption bundle in period 1. So you may understand this is the initial income and this is the income adjusted using CPI, and make sure you may afford buying E1. But with this new budget line, when we are maximizing our utility, we may find a new optimal consumption bundle here, right? And this one will fall on a higher indifference group with a higher utility level, so that you will be better off. Any question with this? I think chapter 4. All right. Let's stop here. Have any other question?